I always thought shrimping was just a job, until the day I found out where their hearts are. It was late, the sky a deep indigo, and the sea unnaturally calm. Our trawler cut through the water, dragging nets full of the night's catch. As I sorted through the pile, something glistened, a tiny, pulsating movement. A shrimp's heart, nestled in its head, still beating. I felt a strange pull, an icy shiver tracing my spine. That night, I dreamt of the ocean whispering secrets, calling me deeper into its depths. The following days, the sea grew turbulent, as if aware of my discovery. My crewmates vanished one by one, their empty slickers swaying in the wind. Alone, I finally understood, the heart wasn't just a biological quirk but a beacon. It knew I watched, it called, and I couldn't resist any longer. Now, as I slip beneath the waves, I